What am I gotta do to make you love me?
Box cover, so what's up, Burritos? No, I know Unumos cost me half as to why I have not been talking about Dalton in the X Factor UK for the little first part of the competition. And basically I'm kind of like a live show guy. I just want to get to the live show. Back in the days, you know, test and something never really cover for your audition. And the thing with the X Factor, they have about 15 million different segments before them finally have reached to the live section. So first up, when you join the show, you have the first round, which is the producer's audition. Then next up, you have the judge's audition. That is where Dalton did perform this song. I'm going to do my video about it.
Sorry seems to be the hardest word.
Then when you move past that round, you go to the 6-chair elimination round. Then you go to the judges' houses, and then you reach to the live finals of our show up on TV.
Oh.
So as you might know by now, Dalton, he performed Elton John at the judges' audition and he passed around there and move on to the 6-chair elimination. Now this is basically where only 6 spots them have for people.
Everything is on the line for me today, and I do not want to leave here without a chair.
When you hear 6-chair elimination, it's basically one round where you have to box of food, as Jamaican people would say. You have to go box of food out of somebody's mouth, say, yeah, you have to kind of fight it like that. Musical chair 2.0.
I'm not stop my food, dog. Me no matter about you and me no care about that.
And to box with X Factor, look like them just love the drama. They make Dalton Harris her perform it last.
Here we go, last performance of the day.
When Dalton started up, I said, what kind of song Dalton I go sing now in the 6-chair elimination here? Me have to just pray and say, God, do not harm make Dalton pick one of the Heineken Star Time Vintage Lime Tree Lane type of song we make from about 50 years ago.
I never meant to cause you any sorrow.
Got to box with the man choose Purple Rain, Jesus Beam, aka KC Cries. No, so when they start hear them song, it kind of bring it back to like the Stone Love Metro type of dance, them type of rubber dub rent-a-tile type of days. I feel like I just want, you know, just take over the whole dance and start.
Oh, yeah.
Right about now, the song goes on to all decent ladies. You don't know, you're my babies. Bubbly your body for the up top boss. Alright, wrong segment. Jeez, I'm wrong video, but the song, it's not, yeah. No, Dalton, the way you get the Matrix trench coat jacket that we are compete with the Holy Child with the hemline. No, sir. And then to box foot, Dalton drop this plot twist note here. Let me just explain what a plot twist note is. A plot twist note is basically a note that detours from the expected trajectory of listening that was occurring. I don't even know if that make any sense, but you must understand it. No, honestly, I have to make a meme out of this. After this is how me go back answer my mother. This is how me go start clap back to her. So you don't plan for wash up the plate, them in the sink. Then before the audience could have really secled in them little clap and them applause and all of the festivities, Dalton dropped their whoppy back note, yeah. Like say cash back, they ready feed 5 o'clock draw. No, when you hear people pop them note with them level of effortlessness there, I just straight bad mind, just bad mind. Bad mind left, right and center, put them face here. Like when they got karaoke and everybody can sing, I have the one person that will go up there and decide, so they're going to just down the place with them vocal acrobatics. Yeah man, yeah, where you want to Then it get down into the performance and Dalton start to move around the stage, you know, stage presence and improve. He might, you know, get the audience involved, everybody start to wave, whoa, hey, all of them look at something there, Al Simon Cowell and do it. It was one box for Kumbaya session in the people them arena. So then it was time for them really, you know, give them feedback and for finally confirm will they give Dalton Harris her seat so that he can move on to the next round. Only 6 years, 6 years, you know. And this is what they said.
Based on that unbelievable vocal, of course you've got a chair.
Yes, the box foot after all, congratulations. You get your seat, Dalton. Moving on to the next round. Tell the people them say, well, yeah, tell them this man, tell them this.
Well, we're moving on now. Moving on.
Because why? Because why? Tell them this as well.
Them did think we would have flopped, but we solid as a rock.
So then they moved from the 6-chair challenge to the judges' house elimination. And basically only 4 people them can pick. So them have the 6 and only 4 can move on. And Dalton's judge is Louis. Louis or Louis, whatever the youth name is, he is from the group One Direction. Yeah, the group where they used to like songs like this. So they have the 4 judges, and all of the judges responsible for a different category. So Simon is responsible for girls. Louis, the guy from One Direction, he is responsible for boys. Robbie Williams, he is responsible for groups. And Ada is responsible for like the more mature competitors them. I guess them probably over like 30, 40 and so.
Dalton, come on down.
Go on with that.
Anyhow, them call up Dalton, and you know the other people them there in the background, and bear in mind, let me just say, if this is Louis House, shell, clean and beer things, it look like the little swimming pool entrance section to Emancipation Park. Yeah man, one bag of excitement. So anyway, them introduce Dalton, they are trying to, you know, front up, you know, Jamaican thing, I try to front up to judge them, make sure send them on them good side, because at the end of the day, you want the hard get selected. So if you need to go to show and like a tired compliment, that's what you have to do. You have to know the little runnings, I just saw you move, don't it?
For One Direction almost and a legend. I'm fine.
Stop with
So anyway, I'm gonna mention say I'm gonna sing the song you call Listen by Beyonce. So same time I say, boy, the song you know your voice up your voice up a kind of depend on certain. You don't know that but depend on a little level for you can kind of manage this. So I said that make sure you say alright choice, you know. But then the other voice was like, thank God says that another Anakin Star Time 50-year-old song that he is our singing.
Turned into your own, all cause you won't listen.
No. Just look at the face of all of this hateration. Watch that. Watch that. Me nah lie. Look, when you look at them face, you know so I acting of a song for all of them. You see all them 2 years over here, so them do exactly what Dalton has said. Humble, meek and mild, Anna, listen. And the brother class him, and I put on 111 piece of our Father prayer. So you know Dalton they are doing like a silky smooth thing and maneuvering way through the song, and at some point, him buck up on this little Jim Screechy part at the song. What you go?
You don't know what I'm feeling.
No, round of applause for that. Round of applause. Yeah man, it's easy. Once again, we have to go being the part. I look like at every time when Dalton is singing one part and I sing where you just have to meme it, because you just have to do it. No, sir, Berry. I've got a little Wi-Fi down there, can't go on, sir.
You don't know what I'm feeling.
So Dalton completed the song. The judges loved it.
And I believed every single word.
Thank you.
And then there came the point where I guess the question was, Lord have mercy, how are they going to announce and make it known that Dalton is now a part of the top 4, which then means that he can go to the live studio finals.
I've made my decision. I'm gonna take you through that, of course I am.
What's covered? So congratulations, Dalton Harris. He is now into the live finals for the X Factor UK show. I'm not like Jamaican people. I just hope that the whole I want to tune in and go watch. And you know, make sure say just me don't know the same thing we need to do for every single Jamaican national moment. Make sure say when they dig up back everybody, we are going to go and form one big Jamaican adventures. It's going to be like Ocean's 12. All of we going to come together and say how we can make sure that Dalton Harris is successful in this competition. So Dalton will be doing his first live show performance on the X Factor stage October 20th, that was Saturday, and I think by this time this video should be out. So here's the information. He performs the first live show on X Factor. Make sure to vote Dalton Harris by using the X Factor app. That is the X Factor app, and calling in or texting. So if you are in the UK, make sure that is what you do. If you're about the place, make sure you download the X Factor app and you vote Dalton Harris to keep him in the competition. If you want to watch the show, make sure you tune in at 8 p.m. to ITV. And yeah, it's going to be a fun experience, and I hope that the whole the Caribbean community, the whole diaspora, can really support Dalton in this competition. I want to be doing reviews each week, and you know, follow up in progress, and so we can get to interact with Uno, and it's going to be fun, and I'm very excited. I just can't wait to see, you know, like what Dalton has to bring to the X Factor stage. Hopefully you love this video, Berritos. Make sure that you leave a comment down below. What song would you love to see Dalton perform on the X Factor? Comment down below. And yeah, make sure to start to talk to you from now. Share the videos and all of these things. Peace out until the next video. Oh.
I'm proud of you, man. I'm proud of you.
Is this real?
This is real. You did it, man.
Thank you so much.
Well,
Man.
I do, and you deserve it.
son. Love is love.
Thank you, man.